So hey everyone, so welcome back to my new video. And this video is after a very long time because I was down with some health issues and family issues. So the last few months of the last year was a little bit hard on me. So anyhow, so first of all, happy new year to all my subscribers and supporters. And I'm thankful to all of my subscribers, and I'm thankful to all of my subscribers for the support. And thank you very much for keeping yourself subscribed to my channel within this period. So let's start with this video, and this is the first video of this new year, and this time I'm gonna review the product from Final Audio. So this is my first Final Audio product, and this is these are A3000 in-ear monitors. So let's start with this review first. So this is the case which you get with these earphones, and these are the ear tips. So this is all you get in the box actually. So the number of ear tips are actually good, so you can get different ear sizes. So the fit is quite good actually. And this is the case. So let's open the case. So you can see this is a quite different case you get with these earphones, and quite soft also and small. And it's this looks like a rubber material actually, quite flexible. And these are the earphones. Yeah. So here I'm not using default Final Audio ear tips. I'm using SpinFit for my ears. So just let's talk about the technical specifications first of these. So as per the Final Audio website and technical specification, these earphones, the housing material is ABS thermoplastic. They have 6 mm dynamic driver, and the driver impedance is 18 ohms. So you can drive these easily with your mobile phone and MP3 players. So sensitivity is somewhere around 98 dB, and the cable length is 1.2 meters, and it's written as oxygen-free copper cable, OFC. Connector is a 2-pin 0.78 millimeter connector. So I'll just show you the connector. Yeah. So this is the 2-pin 0.78 mm connector with, you can see there is a one small groove inside the connector, and same can be seen inside here as well in the earphones. So let me just zoom in so you can have a better look. Yeah. So so the cables are detachable, and you can use custom cables as well, but you might find it difficult to actually find these kind of cables with these kind of connectors, these groove connectors. So you can play with the custom cables, 2-pin 0.78 cables, and try out different cables as well. Frankly speaking, I didn't want it to replace the cables actually, because these stock cables are quite good actually. So yeah. So the total weight of these, it's quite light. It's around 18 grams, and the current spin fit I'm using is I think it's EP100 something. So now talking about the build quality of these earphones. So these are quite sturdy actually. So they features a matte black finish. You can see it's a matte black finish, and the size of these earphones are quite small actually, and so they're suitable for small ears as well. So let me just show you how they fit with the silicon ears. So yeah, so this is how these earphones looks. So once you wore them, and this is quite small and it's suitable for small ears as well. So these are very comfortable as well, and I have wore them for multiple gaming sessions, even for music and all. I mean, long sessions as well. So these are quite comfortable and doesn't give fatigue to your ears. Now, talking about the audio performance, this is where these earphones actually shine. Uh, the one main thing which separates these earphones from other, this is a single driver, single dynamic driver earphones. So even with the single dynamic driver, the sound stage they have is huge. I mean, seriously, this is the best. This is the widest sound stage I have ever heard in a earphones. So before these, I was using Blondes BL303. So these are also very good with the sound stage. This is also single dynamic driver. So the review of Blonde BL03 is also coming soon. So the sound stage of these Final Audio A3000 is more than the Blondes, actually. So these are very much suitable for your movies, your games and all that. So you can easily pinpoint the footsteps in the FPS games, especially. And instrument separation is also excellent, and imaging is also very accurate, actually. So the main USP of these are already a sound stage. And regarding the frequency response, the frequency response is quite a balanced one. So you can say, I will not say these are bass heavy. The bass is very limited, actually. So first I was using these with my Asus Zenfone 9 with a 3.5 mm jack. So with the phone, the volume levels and the bass level was quite low, actually. So this was my first impression with the Final Audios, that they sound very flat. You can say they were lacking sound dynamics, actually, in the profile. So once I started listening to a dedicated DAP, this is a Shanling M0 Pro. So with a 3.5 mm only. So I started listening to Final Audio with the dedicated DAP. This has changed everything, actually, especially on the bass side. So the dynamics are much more improved if you use these earphones with a dedicated DAP or dongle, a good quality dongle. Actually, you can use Apple dongle or Fio or Shanling, anything. So these DAPs and dongles, it really improves the sound dynamics of these earphones, actually. So they scale better with a dedicated DAP and dongles. So instead of headphones jack in your smartphones. Now coming to the mid-range. So mid-range is very, very smooth. It's not piercing, nothing sort of that. So mid-range is not very forward, but it's a bit of not very laid back also. So it's like a flat only. So it's like a flat only. So the mids are very, very smooth, especially the female vocals are very, very smooth. Then coming to the high frequencies, some people might find these earphones a bit piercing. Many people are they are very sensitive. See, human ears are always different. So many people may find these earphones as a piercing earphones, because highs are little bit of exaggerated in some frequency points. So you might need to equalize them, and with smartphone, I've never found the highs to be piercing, but with the Shanling DAP, some of the songs were having piercing highs. So it depends on the source as well. So you need to equalize there. And after some equalizer, these shine really good actually on DAPs and DACs. These shines really good. So these are, of course, these are not bass heavy, so you cannot expect a good bass rumble response from these in bass heavy tracks. The major one more thing where these shine is the sub bass. Any track with a sub bass, any movie with a sub bass, background music, background score, gaming, because sub bass frequencies are very prominent in gaming. So gaming sessions are really good in these earphones. So the sub bass is actually excellent in these earphones. So sub bass with a great imaging and excellent suppression with a wide soundstage. This is a recipe for your gaming headphones. So now one thing which I don't like about these is I told you earlier as well. So with phones, with smartphone headphone jacks, the sound dynamics of the earphones are not good. And regarding the bass response, low frequencies, even if you try to equalize them for the bass heavy tracks, bass might get bloated actually. So these are the small issues. These are the only issues which I found with these earphones. So in the next part, you will be listening to the sound demo of these. So I'll be using some instrumental audio, then female vocals, and some of the good dynamic tracks from the YouTube only. So let's start with the sound demo.
नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं ओ नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं नजरिया नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं ओ नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं नजरिया लागे नहीं कहीं लागे नहीं कहीं लागे नहीं कहीं ओ
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the sound demo. So now you know how these earphones sounds actually. And let's come to the conclusion. So basically, we'll first talk about the pros. So the pros for these earphones are well balanced sound signature with a very controlled bass and fast bass, and very good sub bass. The fit is comfortable, making them suitable for extended listening sessions. Then third one is the impressive soundstage. The expansive soundstage adds depth and dimensions to the audio, making it feel more immersive, especially for the movies, music, and video games. Especially for the video games, I can say. So the cons, which I've already discussed with you, it's like the reduced dynamics. So the sound dynamics are really not good if you are listening to listening to these with smartphone jacks, headphone jacks. Then some users may find it sensitive in high frequency range, treble sensitivity. And the third one is, if you try to equalize them for a bass heavy tracks, if you try to the bass might get bloated and you may hear distortions. So overall, the Final Audio A3000 is a superb choice for those seeking high quality sound in an affordable package. Its balanced sound signature and comfortable fit and impressive soundstage make it a great option for both casual listeners and audiophiles alike. Right? I hope this helps. Now, if you're looking for a nice pair of earphones for your gaming sessions and movies, so these are the earphones to get. So in the end, thanks for watching. And if you have enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more reviews. So let us know in the comment section also if you have any questions or if there's another product you like me to review. So I'll try to do that definitely. And so until next time, happy listening. Thank you.